this here is the ticket to go out there and do something great. I started out in accounting, and actually I did 20 years in accounting, and I sat there for 8 years, and I wanted to do something different. And so what I did was I quit my job there and I got my kinesiology degree. I was around athletes. I was an athlete myself. It was unfortunate at the time, massage therapy was not ever introduced throughout that program. I'm sure if I would have known about massage therapy during that time, I probably would have gone into massage therapy at that time. But 20 years later, I feel like it was a connection. It circled back to me. I've heard about students studying abroad. I mean, we hear about foreign exchange students coming and doing studies, and I'm like, why not me? You know, why can't I study abroad somewhere and just completely do something radical and crazy and leave my job, leave my house, and do something that's fantastic. It's a chance of a lifetime, and I said, why not? I've never been out of the country, and I have lived kind of a conservative life. I've taken my time with making decisions, and I told myself, just do it, just jump, just go. Don't worry about, don't worry about funds, don't worry about what your family's gonna say, don't worry about what anyone else says, just do something, and I've always been someone that if you don't do things, if you don't do things in life, you're gonna regret it. The one thing that I can take away from is when you are dealing with challenges, there's always someone here that is supportive of you, that can help you get through your challenges, get through your struggles. You accept the challenges that, that's presented to you at the end of the day, like every single day, you know that you want to walk across the stage, or you want to walk across the stage and do something great. So it's just like, this here is the ticket to go out there and do something great. The beach is also always amazing. I mean, sitting here right now, you could hear the beach and the waves, and it's almost a reminder that, while we're working throughout this program, this intensive program, there's life, and not so much just life. It gives you a sense of calmness. It puts you at ease to hear the beach. It puts you at ease to when you're going across the street, or if you're, need a pastry or whatnot. The people are always awesome. If you are having, some unsure thoughts about this program, I understand it, and I would tell you, to see yourself, actually in a position, see yourself going through this program, see yourself reading your books, see yourself going to the ocean, see yourself doing something that you may not ever have an opportunity, like this before. To study in another country, in Costa Rica, one of the most beautiful, healthiest countries in the world, is an amazing experience. I think it is very rewarding if you make that decision. It is very rewarding, and I think you will be very, very happy with yourself that you made this decision.